Hello friends, be here with a video for Scrappiness, and today I want to show you something super fun that is coming to the Scrappiness shop, and it's these dabbers. Oh my goodness, they are fantastic. So when you buy a pack, you get 9 of them in a pack. How amazing is that? They are super lightweight, very comfortable to have a grip on them, and they pound so nice. Look at that. So today I'm gonna show you how to use them with this stencil. Let me move these dabbers out of the way for a minute. We're gonna be making a card with Meet the Quoses, and then we're gonna be using this stencil, which is Love is in the Air. So let's go ahead and try our dabbers. So here I have a piece of white cardstock, and I'm gonna go ahead and position my stencil like so. What I like to do is put a little piece of washi tape or mint tape or whatever tape you have on the back to hold my stencil in place like so. And then let me get an ink. Since we're gonna make a love card, I am going to use a pink ink or something kind of like a fuchsia pink, something like a raspberry pink. Let me get my ink, come back. So all I'm gonna do is get some ink in my dabber and pounce. Oh my goodness, these are so good. So fluffy, spongy, I guess. Absolutely love. You know, these are amazing as well if you use embossing powders to get the ink, the embossing ink as well. I find these are amazing for that instead of the brush. You get that ink in all the little crevices and such. So amazing. Oh, I'm loving these. And then the reveal. Oh, I love it so much. Look at these. That is so pretty. Love it. Okay, so my image is color. I have matted with that glittery red, and so is my sentiment. And then I have chosen this white cardstock for my card base. I'm matting with this kind of like a raspberry color. I think it matches really well the ink that I use. Now let's put everything together. And here's how my card turned out. Oh, I love it so much. The dabbers are absolutely amazing to create backgrounds with your stencils. Must have in your collection. And then I have added the sparkling clear hexagon confetti from the shop as well to add a little bit something extra. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give you a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.